Call to actions, gotta love them. We got some CSS here. Let's go ahead and check them out. So it looks like we're just giving this H3 here no padding bottom. We're also setting this button to try to position it in the center by giving it some margin top, the vertical center here. So you can mess around with that. Let's go ahead and see if we can't find that code to kind of show you what is up with that here. There's our class there. Here's the margin. Here it is without it. So it looks vertically not very centered. Here it is with it. So if you have a lot more text than what's shown here, you will need to adjust this value. And again, I would just recommend going in here, copying this, going to your theme options, putting in the new number there. You may have to use an important tag to override that in your theme options. And then here we are on smaller widths, making adjustments. So now it's 50 pixels on the top to try to keep it somewhat centered. And then when it stacks to 980, we get rid of that for 10 pixels on the bottom, just to give it some extra breathing room. And then we're also changing the text here. It's left aligned. On tablet, it's going to be center. That's what all those lines are doing there. And then margin 4, or CTA 4, which is this guy right here. And I actually use this on every page for the Become a Superflyer call to action here. But here's the demo one. And the hover color is right here. Here you can see that it's set to that green color. If you want to change that, all you have to do is just take this rule, copy it, and put it in your theme options and select a new hover color. And it's going to do this and all of these throughout the site as well. And then this is just, this code here is just controlling the little arrow icon there going out. That is it for the call to actions.